Ever wondered how your favorite KFC chicken is made? Well, the story begins over 70 years ago with the Colonel himself, Harlan Sanders. Sanders started KFC with a simple mission: to serve delicious and affordable food. The heart of KFC's success lies in a secret recipe, a tantalizing blend of 11 herbs and spices that give the chicken its distinct flavor. The recipe is so secret, in fact, that KFC uses a separate company to mix the spices. This ensures no one, not even the highest-ranking officials at KFC, know the exact combination. This intrigue surrounding the secret recipe is part of what makes KFC chicken so special. It's not just about the taste, but the mystery, the lore, the unattainable knowledge. It's a story that adds a sprinkle of excitement to every bite. But the secret is just the beginning. The real magic happens in how it's prepared. Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of KFC's preparation process. The journey of a KFC chicken starts much before it reaches your plate. To begin with, the chicken comes from farms where they are raised to meet specific quality standards. Every bird is inspected meticulously to ensure it's of the highest quality. The chicken's journey, in fact, is a testament to the commitment to quality that KFC embodies. Once the chicken is selected and sourced, it's time for the marination process. This isn't just a quick dunk and pull. Oh no, it's a drawn-out affair, a soak, if you will, in a rich concoction of water and seasoning. For several hours, the chicken is left to marinate, absorbing the flavors and ensuring that every bite you take is bursting with taste. It's a process of patience, but as you'd agree, good things come to those who wait. Now we move on to what you might call the piece de resistance, the breading process. This is where the magic happens, where the chicken is rolled in a mix of flour and that secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices. This isn't just a random sprinkling, mind you, it's a careful, deliberate roll, ensuring each piece of chicken is coated evenly. The result is that iconic, crispy, golden exterior that's synonymous with KFC. And let's not forget about the secret recipe. It's a blend of 11 herbs and spices. A recipe so secret it's locked away in a vault, and only a select few know of its existence. It's this secret recipe that lends KFC its unique, unforgettable taste. But the journey isn't over yet. The chicken, now marinated and breaded, is ready for the next step. It's ready to take the plunge, ready for the heat. But this isn't your average kitchen fryer. The cooking process of KFC chicken is as unique as its taste. A method that was groundbreaking when Colonel Sanders first introduced it, pressure frying, is still the cornerstone of how KFC chicken is prepared. Imagine this. The seasoned and breaded pieces of chicken are carefully placed into a pressure fryer. Now, this isn't your typical kitchen fryer. Oh no, this is a specially designed piece of equipment that uses both pressure and heat to cook the chicken. The magic of the pressure fryer is that it speeds up the cooking process while helping to retain the moisture inside the chicken. This means that every bite you take is juicy and tender. But it's not just about moisture. The pressure frying also helps to seal in those 11 secret herbs and spices, giving the chicken its distinctive mouth-watering taste. And just like that, your favorite KFC chicken is cooked to perfection. But wait, there's one final step before the chicken reaches your plate. The journey of our chicken doesn't end after it's cooked to perfection. There's a final checkpoint it must pass: the quality inspection. You see, at KFC, we take pride in our high standards. Each piece of chicken is scrutinized, ensuring it's up to the mark. No piece too small, no piece too large, and certainly no piece undercooked. Once the chicken passes this rigorous inspection, it's time for it to be packed. Ah, the iconic KFC bucket. Each piece is carefully placed into the bucket, making sure it's ready to be served warm and crispy. Whether it's the original recipe, the spicy crunch, or the smoky grilled, every bucket is a promise of quality and taste. So next time you bite into your favorite KFC chicken, remember the journey it's been on to reach your plate.